Morning, students. Today I'll be covering the last topic of your first chapter, which is sociology and its relationship with other social disciplines. Now, in this chart, you can see that the sociology being at the center of the figure is how is it related to other disciplines like economics, psychology, geography, communication studies, anthropology, history, political science, economics. But in our syllabus, we don't cover all of them. We cover the relationship of sociology with economics, psychology, anthropology, history, and political science. Now, what is the relationship? These are the subjects that we'll be covering in your course, which is given in your NCRT book in your syllabus in class 11th. Relationship of sociology with other social sciences disciplines. Um, uh, the first is the relationship of sociology and economics. Second is relationship of sociology and political science. Relationship of sociology with history, sociology and psychology, sociology and social anthropology. Now we'll be covering one by one. The first is sociology and economics. Now, economics is the study of production and distribution of goods. Economics can also be said as a relationship of price, demand, and supply. It is a study where money flows. It is a study where outputs and input ratios are studied. So, economics is all about this, but sociology, as we discussed in the first slide, it is a study of society. Now, what is the relationship between sociology and economics is, for example, we all being the part of a society, we all go to the market, we buy products, we go to the markets, we buy products related to our needs, related to our demand, related to if the if the amount of the product is feasible for us, we do buy it. If we like the product, we buy it. What is happening over here is that the distribution of goods, the production of the goods in economics is what we study in economics. But in society, if people don't go out to the market and buy the products, there will be no linkage between the society and economics. The products are produced in the industries. They are made in the industries, but for whom? For the society, for the people. So it is very important, that the production, the distribution should be carried on on daily basis. Now, for example, there has been lockdown in the country. The industries were closed down, and what it resulted in, that the production was stopped, and there was no supply of goods in the market. So what happened, that because there was so much of reduction of the supply, therefore it led to the increase in the price. It led to the increase in the demand, and therefore if the demand increases, the price increases as well. So it's all about the society. It's all about what how the demands and the prices, the supplies, the money flows, and the input and output ratio is also important in economics. But why is it what it is related to? It is related to the society, the people, everything that happens. Over here we'll talk about economics. So whatever happens for goods, whatever happens in the production, whatever happens in the distribution of goods, it's basically for the people, it's basically for the society. The next is no the next slide, it covers the what economics and sociology talks about. Economics is a social science that analyzes the production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. Now, for example, in the last slide, we talked about the relationship of price, demand, and supply. So, if the production, we do analyze what the production, how much the production of the goods are, what is the distribution percentage, and what is the consumption of goods and services among people. So economics is all about that, and sociology is the study of human social relationship and institution. How does one person is related to another? What is the role of an individual in the society, what is the role of marriage, what is the role of social institutions, what is the role of kinship, what is what is stratification, what is marriage, what is what is poverty, what is urbanization, what is employment. So society we studied all these various aspects. But in if I study, if I want to relate sociology and economics, so economics is all about the production, the distribution of the goods and services. And because it is related to the people, it is related to the society, so therefore we do relate economics and sociology. Now, economic and sociology, in sociology, we study stratification. For example, stratification is when we divide the people on the various dimensions. For example, rich and poor. For example, on the basis of when we stratify the people on the basis of gender, males and females. When we divide the people on the basis of caste, upper caste, middle caste, lower caste. So this is all about, and we study institutions in sociology. We do study urbanization, whereas in economics we study accusation. We study the all that is related to goods, all that is related to money, all that is related to the distribution and the production of goods and services. The next discipline, social science discipline, that will be relating with sociology is the political science. Now, political science is actually the focus of political elements, its theory and administration. Now, what is theory? Theory, it is related to the ideas about government from the time since Plato to the Marx. And in administration, it is actually the study of the formal structure of government rather than its actual operation. In sociology, it is devoted to the study of all aspects of society. Now, so how is sociology related to political sciences? Because in political science, as we study the theoretical part, how government functions, how different formal structures in government takes place, how is all because of the society. Why is government formed? Is because so that the country can run in a smooth and in an effective way. Now, when we say the government, the country should run in a smooth and in an effective way, it means we are related to the society, we are related to the people. The rules, the ideas, the rules, the should be governed in such a manner, they should be focused on such a manner so that there is a discipline in the society. Because the discipline has to be there in the society, therefore there has to be some rules and regulations to be embedded in the society. And because there are different the different people which tries to regulate such kind of discipline in the society, is that is what political science is related to. Science that is related to politics. And politics, in politics we talk about different rules and recognitions that are given at the administrator and the police authorities. um, Thank you, students. I hope you understood the concepts. Please go through these relationships that we covered today. Is relationship of sociology and economics, and relationship of sociology and political science. Read it in the book. It's the last topic in the of the first chapter in your NCRT book. The rest I'll cover in the next slides. Thank you.